Hello, my dear students. So let's go on with lesson number 4. Today we'll be talking about map labeling, which is from section 2. But in some sources it says that the map can be in section 2, 3, and even 4. But usually we have map listening in section 2. So the first slide is going to be about the types of maps. So here we have 4 maps, A, B, C, D. So please pause the video and match with the names of the maps. Okay, so here we have answers. Picture A is field map, which means you may have a map of a park, a map of a place with some natural places like river, lake, mountains. And the other one, B, is building map. So in the building maps, usually you have rooms, the location of rooms. For example, it can be a library plan, it can be the building of some offices, and so on. Picture C is the campus map. Sometimes they call it university map also. So in the university map, you have the location of buildings like library, some faculties, admin, registration, and so on. And the last one is the city map, which is very typical. And here you have the places like supermarket, petrol station, and of course the names of the streets. Okay, so let's discuss the techniques that you need while doing map listening. So the first one is we start usually with reading the task very carefully. Circle all the necessary keywords. For example, in this case, write no more than 2 words for each answer. The keyword is 2, which means minimum you have to write, maximum you have to write 2 words. Number 2 technique, pay attention to the sign. Here we have a compass. It says Olympic side, the compass. In the compass, it will give you the orientation where is the west, east, north, and south. So during the map listening, you'll be hearing some words like in the north part, in the east part, in the west part, and in the east part. So while hearing these words, you will be directing yourself according to this compass. So look at the compass and make sure where is north and south and west and east. Number 3, identify where you are. So if you see here, I put the big circle, red circle in the middle. You are here. It's written, you are here, which means you are the near tower. So probably the speaker usually starts from the place where you are here. Yeah? And also look at the numbers. And this is very important. You need to make sure, is it top down or bottom up? In this case, the numbers are located bottom up. So the number starts from 15, if you see with the arrow, yeah, the circle with the arrow, 15, then it goes 16, 17. In total, you need to write 3 answers, and the numbers are located bottom up. So the speaker will start from bottom to the up, which means from number 15, 16, and 17. The speaker will tell you the answers in order. Next technique is you need to count the number of questions and the number of options. As you know, the IELTS makers are really smart people, so they usually give more options than the number of the questions. But you need to make sure how much is the extra. So in this case, we have 5 questions, which is 5 gaps. And on the right side, you have 9 options, which means you will have 4 extra options. Technique, you need to read the keywords in the map first, and only then read the options. Because as you know, there are more options than the answers. So first read and underline or circle the keywords on the map first, and only then read the quickly read the options and also underline the keywords in the options. And pay attention here, we have in the first map, in the field map, you had bottom up questions, and here is top down. If you see here, the number starts from top to down, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so here is the summary of this presentation. These are the tips for map labeling. You can stop the video and read them carefully. I've already mentioned and given the example in previous presentations. So you can stop it and read it carefully one more time. And the more tips for map labeling, and I'd like to mention that the last two tips, which is don't be distracted by extra information. So as you know, in the map you will be having lots of extra buildings, extra stuff, so that's why there are gonna be lots of distractors. So that's why stick and focus on the number and the buildings or the things which is surrounded by the number. And the last one is don't forget to make notes on the test paper, because you can even draw a picture on your test paper or the question paper we call, but your answer sheet should be very clean. So you can make some notes, you can write some letters, but don't write long words. Use abbreviations and simple letters. And here is the list of vocabulary that you need to know in order to have a successful map labeling. So all of these words are the words that is helpful when you give the directions. So please look through them, write down some of the new words that you found in this list in your copybook, and try to learn it by heart. And here we have more prepositions on movement. So please familiarize yourself with these prepositions of places and movements as well. Make sure that you understand every preposition. Also, write down those new prepositions in your copybook and learn them by heart. So your homework is going to be step 1, you need to go to Telegram, download the PDF file for this lesson. Try to print it out so that you can make some notes, write something on the paper, underlining, circling the keyword. So try to print it out. And then listen to the track also in the Telegram channel. After that, take a picture of these papers and send it to the WhatsApp group, also called IELTS Essential. So that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.